find out what's happened to the famous NHS Nightingale Hospital here at the Excel Centre. We were told to phone the NHS media team. We did that. They didn't know if the Nightingale Hospital still exists. They said, phone Public Health England. So we phoned them. They said they didn't know if it still exists or not here at Excel. They said, phone Department of Health and Social Care. So we phoned the DHSC media team and they said, guess what? We don't know whether it exists or not. Phone Matt Hancock's private office. Well, surprise, surprise, they didn't reply. So we phoned the GLA. We spoke to the Mayor's Deputy for Communications, and he said he didn't know what's happened to the NHS Nightingale Hospital. So we came back and we asked the security guards, and eventually one of them admitted that yes, the whole thing has gone, it's vanished, it is no more, it's been dismantled. It may be sold, it may be put in the bin, or it may be in a store. No one seems to know or tell us. What is clear is that although there's supposedly a crisis in London, there is no chance of using the supposed NHS Nightingale Hospital because it's gone. Finito, terminato, finished, not here. It's New Year's Eve, and yesterday the Health Secretary, Matt Hancock, he said in the House of Commons that the Excel Centre behind me is still ready as an NHS Nightingale Hospital. He said it has not been decommissioned. He said it's on standby. He said the same on Sky, on LBC, on Talk Radio. I thought that's wrong. So I came back today to check. And sure enough, I've seen the empty halls. I've had it confirmed. There is nothing here. No equipment, no beds, no petitions, no ventilators, zero, zip, nothing. In fact, we've now just had it confirmed by the NHS media team that all of the equipment has been distributed to other hospitals. Well, the question is, did Matt Hancock knowingly mislead MPs in the House of Commons? Did he knowingly mislead, fib, tell an untruth to Sky viewers, to LBC listeners, to Talk Radio listeners? I think Mr. Hancock owes us all an explanation, because the Nightingale Hospital has been decommissioned, it is not on standby, and contrary to what Professor Powers said in the press conference yesterday evening, it is not being readied. There is nothing here, there's no one here, and it would cost tens and tens of millions of pounds to bring everything back and to rebuild it. Tens of millions of pounds of our cash, taxpayers' money. Is that really what we paid for?